August is going swimming for the first time today. Well, she's been swimming before, but Carrie is teaching her how to swim. It's her swimming lessons that we have arranged with her, and she's a great teacher. She's done it for adults and kids, and she is nice enough to be like, yeah, let's do it. She's gonna teach her how to swim. I don't know who's calling. Someone's calling. So we're gonna go to Kaylee's house. She's the one that has the pool, and we're gonna go swimming and see how she likes it. She's jumped into the river and lakes before, so she knows. I know she likes the water. We'll see if we can get her under the water. I doubt it. Oh, hello.
Hello. Hi.
Look how tired she looks. Are you ready to go swimming? Get your bikini on with your instructor. I'll throw you in the pool. Go, 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 go!
She's like, what are we doing?
Oh. Where's Ducky? Where's Ducky?
Snoring, the old man is snoring. Went to bed and bumped his head and couldn't get up in the morning. Is that cool? But he was fine.
But he's not dead. He worked overnight, so.
He was a shift worker. We got better at the song.
We did.
Look at us, we practiced.
Alright, so she's all wet.
All wet? Now it's time to get in the water. Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. 1, 2, 3.
Yay! I'm cold too. Right to the wall. Straight to the hot tub.
Oh, grabbing on.
Oh,
Very
nice. Look at that.
Ah.
You want them to grab on, right? You want them to.
And when she gets older and can point at things, you can say like, where's the stairs?
Oh.
Where's the ladder? Motorboat, motorboat, go so fast. Motorboat, motorboat, step on the gas. Yay!
It's just all like she gets used to like being in the water. Is that what it is?
Yeah, being in the water, getting splashed in the face.
Yeah, she's starting to like splashing more and more. And now we're just gonna throw you in. Go, here we go. Doing some laps. Go, stick your tongue out. Close your mouth.
You put your left hand in, you put your left hand out, you put your left hand in and you splash it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. You get dizzy. I know.
You can do bubbles. She's like, that's cool. You guys are doing bubbles. That's awesome. That's great.
Good job, guys.
Good job, guys. Uh-oh, look what Mama has. Uh-oh. He's come all the way from home. Ladies and gentlemen. Becky!
Ready?
Whoa! Look at the camera! Feel at ease. Totally normal.
Oh no, that was a lot of water. Something dipping her face in.
Good job! High five! How was the deep end? Very good. Did she pass? She passed. Congratulations, you and Ducky pass.
Pass the flying donkeys.
Will you come back next week? Would you like to thank anyone? Thanks, Gary. Thank you.